Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to get Grammarly for Microsoft Word. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to open any kind of browser. So I just open my Chrome browser and go on search bar and type Grammarly for Word. Just type Grammarly for Word or any kind of anything you can open. Like that, I open for Windows. I just go on Microsoft Office, and then after open on this page, what should you do? You just need to scroll down, and after that, here you can see all of Grammarly is here. So if you want to Grammarly for Word, what should you do? You just need to where is Word? There have an option you can see Grammarly for, there you can see Microsoft Word, Grammarly for Microsoft Word. So you just need to download from here, and after that you can use this Grammarly on your Microsoft Word. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.